Hello everyone, it's Polkadot Insider here. Welcome back to our educational video series. Today we'll walk into a new tutorial about how to use novawallet. Novawallet is a next-gen iOS Android application for the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystem, which provides an ultimate mobile wallet experience. Supporting over 63 networks and assets, NFTs, extensive dApps support for both Substrate and EVM, crowd loans, governance, and staking of assets including DOT, KSM, GLMR, MOVR, A0, PDEX, CAPS, TOR, and KMA. With novawallet, user can store the user access on supporting novawallet parachains. First, we download novawallet. In this video, we experience iOS. We go to the App Store to find novawallet. After download is complete, we open novawallet application. Select Create New Wallet. Next, we enter the nickname. Next up, select I understand after revealing the pop-up warning message. After selecting I understand, novawallet will send us a 12-character phrase. To be on the safe side, we should write it down on a piece of paper. After we press continue, the application needs us to re-enter the previous 12 characters to make sure that we have saved. This is the main interface we successfully create a wallet. And if we want to create additional wallets, it's also very simple. First, we select the identicon located at the top right of the screen. Next, we select the setting icon, cogwheel. Select Add Wallet, and then select Create a New Wallet. Next up, we enter a nickname for our wallet. And then select I understand after reviewing the pop-up warning message. After selecting I understand, novawallet will send us a 12-character phrase. We recommend the best ways to save the seed phrase offline, in your book or a note that just only you can find it. And after that, we click continue. The app needs us to re-enter the previous 12 characters to make sure that we have stored it. Deleting a wallet that we do not use is also very simple. First, we return to the main screen. Select the identicon in the top right. Then select the settings icon, the cogwheel, and then select the edit button located at the top right of the screen. After that, it will show a red minus sign icon to the left of the account we want to delete. Before that, Nova will send us a consideration. The next very interesting feature is watch-only wallets. novawallet's watch-only wallet feature allows us to add any Substrate or EVM account into the app using only the account's public address. We select the settings icon, the cogwheel, and then press Add Wallet, and then select Add Watch-Only Wallet. We enter a username, wallet, Substrate address, and/or EVM address for the account we wish to add as a watch-only wallet. Then press continue. And if we already have an existing wallet and want to use our old wallet, there are many ways. The first way is to enter via mnemonic passphrase. Select mnemonic passphrase and input our account's mnemonic passphrase and also a nickname for our account. Press continue to finish importing our account. The second way is to import via raw seed. Back to the main screen, we choose Create Wallet and then select Import Wallet. Select raw seed and then enter the account root or private key and enter nickname for our account. Then just press continue to finish importing our account. We can also import from MetaMask wallet. We still return to the main screen and select Create Wallet and then select Import Wallet. Then we press mnemonic passphrase. We enter our account in an easy way to remember passphrase and then enter a nickname. Then select the Options button in the top right corner. Well, changing Ethereum secret derivatives path based on our number of derivative counts. For example, the first account has secret derivation path as 4460000, the second account has a secret derivation path as 01, and the third account is 02. This continues so that the N account has secret derivation path as O, then N-1. We select Apply, and finally we choose Continue. Next up, we learn how to transfer and receive access. To receive access, at the main screen we select Access. We choose the asset we want to receive, and here we'll take an example as ACA. We press Receive. We can now share the QR code or select account address at the top of the screen to copy the address. And now is how we transfer access. We return to the main screen and then select the Access tab. We choose the access we want to transfer and then select Send. We choose a destination chain when available and input recipient account address and also the transaction amount, and then press continue. Reveal transaction details and select confirm. That's it. And that's for today's video about main features of Nova Wallet. If you really enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Polkadot Insider for more insightful videos. Bye! See you next time.